And good evening, meteorologist Jesse Kelly here. Hope everyone's having a fantastic Thursday. We're all beginning to watch Tropical Depression 8 as it continues to move off towards the west-northwest. You can see thunderstorms are beginning to develop out into the Gulf of Mexico, and more thunderstorms are developing across central and southern Louisiana, back off towards the east into coastal Mississippi and Alabama. This will be what we will see into our area as we go into your Friday, also into your Saturday. So Tropical Depression 8 is slowly becoming a little more organized as it continues to move more towards the west-northwest at 7 miles an hour. It has winds currently of 35 miles an hour. And once it reaches the tropical storm status, it will be assigned the name Hanna. So it will continue to move towards the west-northwest, eventually make landfall somewhere from Palacios, Port Lavaca, anyway up between Brownsville and Corpus as we go into your Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. But again, this storm will pass well south of the ArkLaTex, but just because we're still close enough to this area of disturbed weather, we will see some scattered showers and thunderstorms. I will show you how that will play out in FutureCast in just a second. Now, we're also watching Tropical Storm Gonzalo out into the central Atlantic. Has winds of 60 miles an hour, moving off towards the west at 14. As it continues to pick up intensity, it will eventually become a hurricane as we go into your Friday, a Category 1 storm. And Gonzalo will more than likely be the first hurricane of the 2020 season. So let's walk through the forecast. So Robin's Tornado Futurecast shows a few scattered thunderstorms, especially across the northern half of the region. Those thunderstorms should begin to fall apart as we go into your sunset. But as we go into your Friday, we'll begin to see scattered showers and thunderstorms will increase, especially for areas south and east of Shreveport. So for Friday, I think the best chance of rain will be from areas along and south of Interstate 20 for Friday. Also for your Saturday, we'll see how far towards the north these thunderstorms will make it up towards the Interstate 30 corridor. So rain chances will begin to decrease the further north you are of Shreveport and also of Interstate 20. Thunderstorms will fall apart, and we'll see more thunderstorms as we go into your Saturday. More thunderstorms scatter about, but again, the best chance of rain will occur south of Interstate 20. And we will see more thunderstorms as we go into your Sunday, again for areas south of Interstate 20, but rain chances will begin to decrease some more as what's left over of Tropical Depression 8 or Hanna by this time will continue to move more into southwest Texas and eventually moving into Mexico if the current forecast track is correct. We're protected by high pressure, so high pressure will keep Tropical Depression 8 and also Hanna towards the south of the ArkLaTex. Now we will begin to see a decent chance of thunderstorms as we go into next week, as we will see rainfall amounts between now and Monday. Some of us may see anywhere between a quarter to about a half an inch of rain with the higher totals south and east of Shreveport. But for everyone else, we will see a better chance of rain and thunderstorms as the ridge of high pressure begins to slide more towards the west. As a result, we're going to see several disturbances from the north slide down towards the south and east and give us a bump in the rain coverage, especially for your Wednesday and Thursday. So as a result of the higher rain chances, temperatures will be a few degrees cooler, actually below average, as we go into next week. So rainfall amounts over the next 7 days, this model here says we could see anywhere between a half an inch to an inch and a half. So again, depends on where you are. We could see an inch to an inch and a half. But again, we could see some higher totals depending on where some of the heavier rain sets up over the next 7 days. Speaking of your next 7 days, here's a look at that forecast. We're going to see highs for the most part, upper 80s, lower 90s, lows into the middle 70s, and a good chance of thunderstorms every single afternoon.